Hello, I'm Adam from Safe4, and today I would like to explain how to create a contract in the Express Apps solution. In the loans, leasing, or installment sales solution, you can go through the whole financing process in a few steps. I'm going to explain the contract creation in the Loans Express app. In Express Apps, there are more ways how to create a contract. The first option is created from customer card by clicking Process and Create New Loan. The benefit is that customer's info is populated to the wizard. Another possibility is created from the loans list. Again, you can simply click on Process and Create New Loan. Direct creation from dashboard is done by clicking New and Create New Loan. You have to choose the customer from the database. Then there is option to choose maximal principal amount which we are able to lend them. Next step is choosing of financing product. All the necessary information are populated from product and can be changed, including part payment period and number of months. You will add the principal amount, initial fee, insurance and services if it is needed. The third step is about interest rates. Rates are populated automatically from product, but you can change them directly. Fourth step is just a summary of inputs. Once you click Finish, system is calculating the loan. And that's it. We have a new calculation with unique number. You can check all the general information about the customer with important dates. You can also check and change the calculation inputs. On the right side, in the pop-up window, you see the necessary financing details. By clicking the Process and Payment Calendar, you can open the payment calendar of actual loan. Calendar includes the important dates, total payment amount, and annuity and interest part of loan. In last column, you can check how the principal amount is changed during the time. In section Report, you can check document output for customer. For example, the payment calendar. You can just preview, print, or export it in several formats. Here we choose PDF format. PDF is downloaded, opened, and in document you can find all the important info about loan. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was helpful. Please feel free to contact us in case you have any questions and let us know your feedback. For more information, have a look at our website. Have a great day.